Okay everyone, this is about the tiny house with a dimension around 10 and 3.4 meter with rustic and industrial look for exterior design and modern industrial for the interior design of this tiny house. Okay, we can see for the exterior look, it has a rustic material with industrial look on the right side and the rustic wood on the dominant facade of this tiny house design anyway. Okay, we can look for the backside just like this. This is about the backside of this tiny house. It has several window, especially on the top or the loft bed area. It has a large window and skylights we can see about it. Okay, we can see for the terrace area, it has a small terrace area with a L shape of the terrace and laser area, and we can look around for the more detail of this terrace. Okay everyone, and this is about the interior design of this tiny house. We can see about the arrangement of the room and the furniture. It has small sofas area right here. This is about the small sofa area, around 3 or 4 seat capacity in front of the window, and it has small cabinet with space. Maybe it could be a space for standing TV, and this is about the and for the above position has a small loft bed area. Okay, and we can look around for the another area. It has kitchen on the left side, and the right side it has small stair with cabinet right there. And for the kitchen cabinet, it has just small kitchen arrangement with cooker and the wastafel right there with several cabinet on the bottom. And we can look around for the loft bed area from this position. It has unique railing design right there. This is about the unique railing design with honeycomb composition of on or honeycomb arrangement of this railing, so it would be make more unique for the interior component of this tiny house anyway. Okay, we can see for the another room. Okay, this is about the bathroom area. It has complete facility with, around the shower cabin, about the toilet and wastafel right there with cabinet itself. Anyway, I think it's almost complete of the bathroom arrangement, I mean. And we can look around for the another position. This is about the small storage. This is about the small storage on the next of the bathroom position. Okay, and we can switch for the another room. We can see for the another area. It has a small loft bed area in this position. I mean, it's so not too large, but it must be careful for using this loft bed area, because it just overhang or console with elbow construction. I think it should be a more railing system and for safety system, I mean, or I mean this is need some support to make it stronger than this composition, but it just for my opinion. What about your opinion? Please text for the comment below. Okay, and we can look around for the another area. This is about the loft bed area. This is a large loft bed on the top of this tiny house with unique roof arrangement. Anyway, this is with a unique roof arrangement. We can see for almost of the room in the tiny house, and because it has spacious space with a skylight and with window on the rear position. On the right position has small window and sliding window, and the front position especially it has sliding window, and it has night table or bedside table right there with both bedside table, and it has large space for the bed mattress. Anyway, it's around uh, 1.8 meter, or maybe it's just for king size bed area anyway. And we can see about the another room from here, from the bed. I mean, it's so spacious feel for this arrangement and industrial look. I think it's unique, and it's industrial sense of art. It's strong in this area anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.